Okay, I'll be showing you a hurricane in Tornado Alley. Wonder what category it'll be. Probably gonna get up to 5. Okay, there's one building that's okay. I'm going inside that building. Well, kind of okay. Half of it's dead, but that's fine. Just go on here. No, not from the south. Those are the worst. At least it isn't a category 6. Somehow that happens. Oh, only category 1? Okay, that's fine. Please just don't go to a category 5. Yeah, it's definitely gonna go to a category 5 if it's getting to a cat 2 right now. Okay, it's a cat 2. Hopefully there isn't a storm surge. Please. Please don't kill me.